Morning, Dr. UJILA and others. Now we are group 7. We are now going to present the question, chapter 6, the 13th question. So our group members have Loo Kai Xen, Ong Zi Jiang and Heng Kor JIN. So now first, this is...
Hi, I'm Ong Zi Jiang. My metric number is 189983.
And my name is Heng Kor JIN. My metric number is 187790.
Hi, I am the photographer. I am Loo Kai Xen. My metric number is 188327. Okay, now let's start our discussion.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we will start at joint E. So FEC equal to 20.
Okay, so firstly we start from
Why we
joint,
pick one E? Why we pick joint E?
because joint E has 20 kilonewton for the force to the along the y-axis. So from here, because the joint along the y-axis only got one joint, so yeah, so we can easily detect
Direct get the answer.
Yeah, we can direct get this
Answer
like
easy.
this. So it's like for
20.
at joint E, the summation of force y, force y, because we are
It's zero.
now we are focusing on the force y. So at
It's
joint
zero.
E is equal to 0. The
So we
summation,
can draw the free
because
body
it's
diagram.
static. Yeah, and then we just draw along the y only. So now we know that this is along the y to the bottom is 20 kilonewton. So E is
ED.
FEC plus minus 20 kilonewton equals to 0. So from here we can know that FEC is 20 kilonewton. Yeah.
So
and it was
what?
tension.
Yeah. Because
Going up.
yeah,
Okay.
Going up. So the slender edge is going like that.
So you
there
all
will be
assume tension
Yes.
at first. Okay.
yeah. So we can know that the force along the FEC is 20 kilonewton and E is a
Okay.
tension.
Okay,
Yes,
so now
okay.
the
Next.
next we can try the x component at point E. Means summation fx equals 0 at joint E. Right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, we can try to.
So summation of fx equal to 0. So FE minus FED equal to 0. So the force is
So FFE equals to FED. Yeah. So this is one of our equation
Okay, so
at point
E.
E. Yeah.
Okay, so
And then-
first equation.
We move on to
So now we move on to point C.
point C.
Or point D also can.
okay. So I think we move on to point D first
Will more
because
suitable, yeah.
you because only have two unknown, right? Yeah. So at point D, because we know that there is no
Y force.
There is no Y force along. There is no force to
Along
acting.
y-axis.
to down the y-axis of point D. So
Except
from the
route CD.
from the free body diagram at point D, so the force down the y-axis is 0 Newton. So so because E is 0 Newton, and
CD.
FCD Y minus 0 equals to 0. So
Yeah.
from here we can know that FCD Y is equal to 0
Okay.
Newton. So what is
Kilonewton.
FCD? FCD is
20.
Take 4 over the length of CD.
yeah
Yeah.
Take 4
So
over length of
is
CD.
4 over
4 over
CD.
square root.
Yeah.
Square root.
So FCD Y is FCD bracket 4 over square root 20.
Because the length of CD is square root 20.
Yes.
Yeah, so
the long
FCD
one.
4 over square root 20 is equal to 0 Newton. So from here we can know that FCD equals to 0 Newton times square root 20 over 4. So because it's 0, right?
Yes.
So whatever we
Times,
have,
dy.
the numbers we will get the result is 0 Newton also.
kilonewton. Okay.
So we solve another one.
Yeah, so we can know that FCD is 0 Newton. Okay, so far we know already two unknown. FEC is 20 kilonewton tension and FCD is 0 Newton. Okay.
Okay, so now the next point, maybe we can take the x component at point D.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so now we can study from here to here lah, along the x component. Okay, so firstly, we choose the point E first. Yeah, so at point E, the summation of fx is equal to 0, just like what we did just now. So we know that fe equals to fed. Yeah. So due to the FCD is 0 Newton, so we know that the y component is 0 and meanwhile the x component is 0 as well.
Yes.
So we can know that FCD x FCD x is equal to 0 Newton. So from here we can know that the FCD 2 over square root 20, right, is equal to 0 Newton also. So from
and
here,
FCD is 0.
So
So automatically the ED will be 0 too. Because the force will be 0.
So
It's 0.
FCD along the x is equal to the FED, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So from here we can know that the FED is equal to 0 Newton also. So since that FED is equal to 0 Newton, so FE is equal to 0 Newton as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
so now we have how many answers?
4.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4. So far we know that FEC, FDC, and then FFE and FED. Yeah.
So maybe now we'll start from joint C.
Yeah.
Joint
Okay, we
C.
just follow.
Joint C.
So we can take their y-axis first, because I see it here. No need y-axis already. We take the x-axis.
FCB.
I think maybe we can from the joint C, we can use the information from CE, the FCE, to find the
FCF first.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we take the y-axis first, the y component of joint C.
So we are trying to use FCE to find FCF.
Okay.
FCF.
So now, since this is equilibrium, so the summation Fy is also 0.
Yeah. So F
Y.
equal to 0.
So this, maybe you can draw the free body diagram for point C.
Yeah. C, and then now because it is the component is over here, and then the component is tension. So
yes.
the reaction is downward.
Yeah.
Downward 20 kilonewton, sorry. And then now we have another force at here. So most probably maybe this is, we assume that it is the compression. Yeah, compression. So the force is towards the joint. Yeah. And then so because of this point, then we will have some kind of the force that along the y-axis. Yeah. So this is FCF, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this FCF y minus 20 kilonewton equals to 0. Yeah. So FCF
Equal to
FCF y is equal to FCF 4 over square root of
20.
Eh?
32.
32.
Oh, 32.
32.
Oh, yes. This length is
Ah,
square root
4.
And
32.
then this
Equal
is
to
20 kilonewton. So after we compute this, and then we can get FCF is equal to
5.
one moment. Okay, we can get the answer is we can get the answer is
28.3.
28.3, yeah, 28.3 kilonewton.
Compression.
Why is compression?
Because
you
it is
have negative.
positive.
Yeah.
So if because we firstly we assume
you
that
assume
the
it's
force
compression.
is compression, yeah.
Okay.
So and then now we get the force of positive.
28.3.
Okay.
So it is compression.
So now maybe we can take the x component of joint C.
Yeah.
FCB,
So
yes.
so far we already get the force of FCF, so we can proceed to use the information from FCF to get the
FCB.
Value of
Yeah.
FBC.
to get the value of FBC.
Okay. So now maybe I see the force FBC is on the x-axis, so maybe we can use the summation fx equals 0 because it is equilibrium. Summation fx equals 0.
So also at joint C, the summation of fx is equal to 0
Because it is in equilibrium.
yeah. And then
Okay.
so from here we can know that we have this x, and then along this also got
Yes,
x.
got x
This
component.
also got x.
Yes.
But along this is the
Zero.
0 Newton, 0
So we can
kilonewton.
ignore
so
it.
we can actually ignore it, but we just maybe can write and then just substitute 0 into it. Yeah. Okay, so firstly we have I think we can do the free body diagram first.
Yes.
C, and then now we have the compression of here is 28.3 kilonewton, and this is FCF. And then now and then because there is no force along here, the component over here is no force, 0 Newton, so
Yeah.
we just ignore it first. And so because from here we can see that if we resolve this force, it will be producing a force something x
Yes.
along or x force is something like this. So we can assume that the force along the x for the reaction is something like this. So the force is like this, and then we can assume that the FCB or FBC is tension. Yes. So is tension. Yeah, like this. So along the x is it should be like FCF x minus FBC.
Equal to 0. Yes.
Yeah.
Because FCD don't have any.
Yeah. So actually we need to write plus
FCD.
FCD x lah. But because it is 0, so I will just
Ignore it.
lah. So equal to 0. Okay. Okay. So now we can know that FCF is
28.
We just put this over here first. So FBC equals to FCFX. Yeah, and then FBC is equal to FCF is 28.3 kilonewton, and then along the x is 4 over
32.
4 over square root 32. Yeah.
Because this length is square root 32.
Yeah, because we know that this is 4 and then this is square root 32. Just like this one.
Pythagoras theorem.
Okay, then we can know that FBC is, we just use the calculator for a while. Yeah, so we can know that FBC is equal to 20 kilonewton. Yeah.
Okay. So now.
And yeah, I forgot that it is tension because we get the positive answer.
So
it is
you
tension.
assume tension already. Okay, so now maybe we can take point B. Point B.
Point B.
To find force FBF, FAB, and FBG.
why don't we use F?
Yeah, I think we can start. The next step we should do is we start from F, and then we use the information of the FCF, and then use the information of the force along the y-axis so that we can find FBF also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now
I think we should take another paper.
use point F.
Okay. So now we are at point F. Okay. Along the y-axis, because we are now analyzing the force along the y-axis. Y is equal to 0 because it is static in equilibrium. Okay. So we know that the FCF is. I think we should draw the free body diagram first. Yeah. So the component is CF is here. This is the F point, and then FCF is a compression. So this the force is and the joint is like this. Yeah, because it's compression. Yeah, and then so this should be 28.3 kilonewton. Yeah, and then since the force is pointing towards the center, so we should think that the reaction force that on the point is like something from here
oppose
to oppose the direction. Yeah, because we resolve this, we will get this. So the opposing force should be going
So you assume the opposing force is
like
upward.
this. Yeah.
So it's tension.
It will causing that the force on the FFB or FBF. Yeah.
So it's intention.
Yeah,
okay, so we assume it's intention.
Yeah, we assume that this is BF. B is tension force. Yeah. So we can now compute it. So FB minus this is FC. So minus FFC. Y is equal to 0. Yeah. So now we can FFB get FFB equals to FCF along the Y
is 4 over
square root 32.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So we can now compute the FFB equals to FCF is 28.3 kilonewton times 4. Oh, sorry. Square root 32.
Okay.
Yeah,
so the
we
answer
can
will be same 20.
Yeah, it's 20 again, 20 kilonewton. We don't even need a calculator. Yeah.
Okay. So what is compressed or tension?
And it is because the answer is positive, so our assumption is correct. It is tension.
Okay. So now maybe we can take the x component of point F.
Yeah.
Find the x component to find AF, force AF. At point F, you take the x component, so we can find force AF.
So
Because this is known.
Yes.
So something like this. 0 FFA minus FFCX equal to 0. FFA equal to FFC 2 over 4
Square root 32.
Square root 32 is 2 or 4? 4, right?
4, yeah.
4. So answer I think is almost the same again. 28.3 kilonewton.
So FFA is 20.
20 again.
So it is compression or tension.
So the force FFA minus FFC. So I think it's compression.
Compression.
Because it's going there, right?
Yeah.
So I think it's compression.
Okay.
Because the unknown is from here is compression. Yeah. So we need another force to oppose it. Yeah. So this is the compression.
Okay. So now maybe lastly we can take point B.
And then I think we can how to say
Point B.
yeah, point B we are going
Yeah,
to
Yes.
point B. So
And
we
then,
don't need find the moment. Yes.
yeah,
No.
I think because since now we have the force along the X
And
for
this.
FFB and FAF, so we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find FAB.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
new idea.
New idea.
Okay, maybe we can have a try. But how do we determine it is compressed or in tension?
I think we should do the free body diagram first.
Okay.
Yeah. So from okay, so
Now we will start at joint B.
yeah, I think we can start at joint B first. Joint B. Yeah, at joint B. So we got quite a lot of forces here. So firstly, we got FBC. FBC is a tension force, so it should be pointing like this because the component is tension. Yeah. And then we have FGB as well. I think we draw other forces first. We have FFB also. Because FFB is tension. So
Pointing down.
yeah, the force is like this. And then this is 20 kilonewton. And then this is
BC.
BC
20 also. 20.
is 20 kilonewton also. And then we got BA.
A and BG.
BA. Okay. And then we have BG as well. So I think that because we need to balance back the forces, right? So maybe this one should be like this, pointing like this. So this should be tension. Maybe
We assume it's tension.
Yeah,
as
assume.
tension first, and then due to the forces is like this, so maybe this force along the BA, BA maybe is tension as well.
We also assume tension.
assume as
Yes.
tension first. So from here we can, this is FGB and this is FAB. Yeah. So this now so far we have two unknowns left only, FGB and FAB. And then this one is FBC and this one is FFB. Yeah. Okay. So now we can proceed to the summation force equal to 0.
F1.
Okay. So now we do on
F4.
y axis first. Okay, y axis. So okay. Summation Fy at joint B
Equal
is
zero.
equal to 0.
Yeah.
So it is like
20, negative 20 Newton.
because we assume this is to the bottom.
Yeah,
So
so
Negative
negative
20.
FAB.
negative FABY
One component.
minus
20
kilonewtons
equal
equal to 0.
0. Okay.
So negative FAB.
So this FAB, this the y component is 4 meter 4 over square root
20.
20 because this length AB is 20. Square root 20.
Yeah, is equal to 20 kilonewton.
Yeah,
So
so
we can get that
FAB.
negative FAB equals to 20 times 20.
22.4.
22.4, is it correct? Yeah. So we can know that it's 22.4
kilonewton, and if we move the negative sign, it will get negative answer.
equals to negative 22.4 kilonewton.
This means our assumption is wrong.
No.
Yeah, so we assume that it
It's
is
in tension.
tension. So actually it's not a tension,
It's
it
in
is a
compressed.
So FAB is equal to 22.4 kilonewton
Compression.
compression.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay, last.
solve one more. Okay, we
Last
just left one
one.
more only. Yeah.
So now we can take the
equals-
x-axis of point B.
Yeah.
as
So
component.
we should use okay, we just summation of fx at joint B equals
Equal to
0.
zero.
So from here,
FBC.
we assume that this is the
Intention.
intention. So is
Negative
negative
FGB
FGB plus
FBC equal to 20.
plus FBC, which
Plus
is
20.
we just write all the unknown first lah. FBC, and
then this one FAB.
FAB.
Negative
FAB
FAB.
is compression, so it should be
Positive.
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 Okay.
FABX equal to 0.
Okay.
So from here we can know that
Can put in the value.
FGB equals to FBC is 20 kilonewton plus FAB. FAB is 22.4 kilonewton because it acts along the x, so it should be 2
It should
Two
be 2
over
over
20.
square root 20. Because length BC BG is 2 over square root 20.
So it's
Their component.
2 over square root 20. So
Okay.
from here we can know that 22.4 times 2 plus 20. So we can know that FGB is equal to
30.
kilonewton.
Is-
And our assumption is correct.
Intention.
Intention.
Because our assumption correct. So now maybe we can list out all the answers we found from the first answer.
Okay. So now we already found all the forces.
So now let's show all our answer.
I think we should show all our answers here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got firstly we got FEC. FEC is equal to 20 kilonewton tension, and then we got
FFE.
From here.
FE.
FCD. FCD is equal to 0 Newton, and then
FFE.
FFE is equal to 0 Newton as well, and then due to FFE is equal to 0 Newton, so we get FED
Also equal to 0.
also equal to 0 Newton, and then next we after that we
FCF
get FCF is equal to 28.3 kilonewton and
compression.
it is compression. Then
FBC
is equal to
20 Newton
20 kilonewton
and
tension, and then
FFB
we get FFB is equal to 20 kilonewton at tension also, and then we get FFA
equals to 20
20 kilonewton
compression.
compression, and last two
FAB
is equals to 22.4 kilonewton,
compression.
and this is compression.
And last one.
The very last one, FGB is equals to 30 kilonewton
And
tension.
tension.
So this is our final answer. So that's all from us, the group 7. Thank you
Thank
for your
you.
watching. Thank you.